Nawab Sirajuddaulah, an important name in Indian history. He was fifth Nawab Najim of Bihar, Bengal, and Odisha. Let us learn more about him in the textbook. Battle of Plassey. Alivardi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, died in 1756. We have already know about Alivardi Khan. He opposed the misuse of dastakats by British officials. His grandson Sirajuddaulah came to throne. The Plassey battle took place between the young Nawab Sirajuddaulah and British in 1757. This is an important year in Indian history. Then, what are the reasons for Battle of Plassey? Misuse of dastakats. You already know about it. Emperor Farooq Siyara issued dastakats it is a free trade pass which is misused by the British officials. Sirajuddaulah was furious that dastakats were misused by officials of the company, incurring losses to British treasury. Mending of the fort without permission. Which fort? Fort William, which was built by British in Calcutta. The British repaired the fort of Calcutta and placed cannons in them. You can see the fort built by British, Fort William in Calcutta. These are cannons. This is further enraged Sirajuddaulah and ordered the removal of cannons from the fort, not court. The British refused to do this, angering the Nawab further. Black Room tragedy. Sirajuddaulah conquered the Fort William easily and imprisoned some of the British. He imprisoned 146 Englishmen in a small room in the fort, of which 123 died. This is called Black Room tragedy. This enraged Robert Clive and arrived in Bengal with a large army. This is Black Room tragedy in which Sirajuddaulah kept some British officials in a small dark room. Some of them died. This enraged Robert Clive, who was in Madras then, he came with a large army to Bengal. Robert Clive attracted rich locals like Manik Chand, Omni Chand, Jagat Seth and others towards him. He was successful in convincing Mir Jafar of the military head of the Sirajuddaulah to stay neutral in the battle by offering him post of Nawab of Bengal if they won. Encouraged by all these developments, Robert Clive declared war against Sirajuddaulah. Everything were according to the plan of Clive. Sirajuddaulah, who tried to escape from the battlefield, was captured and killed. This picture depicts a meeting of Robert Clive with Mir Jafar. Robert Clive offered the post of Nawab to Mir Jafar. This is the house of Jagat Seth, which was a rich person of Kolkata. Robert Clive became friend with this person and he took Robert Clive's party. Rich persons like Mani Chand, Omni Chand, and Jagat Seth took Robert Clive's party. Then in this Sirajuddaula died.